Hey, welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. This one, I'm going to title it, It's All About the Little Things. We know how to drill a hole. I'm not talking down to anybody that can drill a hole. I'm going to drill a hole. Here's something that happens sometimes when you bear down a little too hard and you drill a hole into sheet metal or a different project. We can go here, and the drill exaggerates, it makes a dent. When we look at this on the cross section, I can literally see a dent in that panel. That's a bummer. If you're in a hurry, you're doing a restoration, you're doing trim pieces down the side of a car, that's going to break your heart and ruin your day. Check this out. If you're doing a woodworking project, same thing. We got a nice finish on this piece of wood. And I've marred the surface there. Wood, I can't put any body filler on that. I can't grind that flush. Wood is not forgiving. Here's a solution to that. This comes from my buddy Frank Miles. Frank has a company that makes bed floors for vintage trucks. They're aluminum bed floors, and all kinds of graphics can be put on them, and they look realistic when you choose the wood. It's a pretty cool company. I've put a couple of those in my vintage C10 truck projects. This one came to me, and I'm so grateful for it. Basically, what I'm going to do is peel off a run of tape. I can pick and choose the depth that I want the drill to go through. Particularly important if you're drilling through automotive sheet metal. Sometimes you don't want it to go through very far. So I can do one of two things. I can wrap it around manually. I've got the drill on a slow speed. I can slowly work that in. You can see what it's doing. It's creating a shoulder on that drill bit. Now we go back and we drill the hole again. So if you want to get a close-up of this, here's what's going to happen. It doesn't matter how hard I push. When it goes through, it doesn't mar the paint. When we go back to the wood subject, I don't even have to worry about that. I just set my depth, and it's a nice hole without a marred shoulder. That can make the difference between hours or days in a restoration project. And it's those types of things that we collect over the years. So I'm happy to pass this on to you. So there you go. Tech Tip Tuesday. Keep on watching. We'll keep on making these videos. Thanks for watching the channel.